Food's being carried over. Walking bridge. The river's flowing. We can't. That's where we drive through, right over there. But you can't get through. And, loading it up on the ox carts. And they'll take it 2 hours out into a community we work in for quite a few years. So they'll have food before the storm gets here because they're all farmers and they've lost a lot of their crops in the rains, and then the rain's coming again tomorrow and Tuesday. It's going to be pretty rough for people during this dry season.
Hurricane 2 days ago, and as you can see, it completely destroyed this house. Everything is gone.
This is friend Santo and his family's house, or used to be. Can't believe it's totally gone. Alright, we've got all the food here. Getting everything staged, packed. We've got the Popoyo surf team here and some of the other locals that work with us. And Amaro makes things happen around here. And, everybody's just packing. It's going so fast. We're in Abejonel, where this section everybody is getting a pack of food to take home and fix for the family. It'll last them a week or so. And then I walk over here and everybody gets to get some clothes and sheets and blankets and other things like that. And then they get over to this section where they're getting a hot meal being served up.
In Abejonel, underneath the church structure where they have church out in the open in Campo. All of the community is here. We do 76 packets of food. The community is made up of farmers, and during the hurricane, with 2 hitting IOTA and ETA, all of their crops were destroyed. So we are trying to just provide them with a little bit of relief on a monthly basis until it's time to plant and harvest the next season. Well, that season will be in May when we have our first rains, and they'll be able to plant and then harvest 3 to 4 months thereafter.